see one example on chain rule of partial differentiation. Already seen some examples in the last session. We'll see the one more example. If u equals to f of x square plus 2yz comma y square plus 2zx, show that y square minus zx into dou u by dou x plus x square minus yz into dou u by dou y plus z square minus xy into dou u by dou z. Consider. First you will write that given. What is the given? U equals to f of x square plus 2yz comma y square plus 2zx. Okay. Let r equals to x square plus 2yz comma s equals to y square plus 2zx. Then u equals to f of r comma s. So now I'll find out that first what dou u by dou x, dou u by dou y, dou u by dou z. So here if you observe u in terms of u equals to f of r comma s in terms of r comma s, r in terms of x comma y comma z. So then we'll go to chain rule. So we know that chain rule of partial differentiation. First we'll find out the dou u by dou x, dou u by dou y, dou u by dou z. Okay. So what is the dou u by dou x? First we'll find out the differentiation of u with respect to r. Okay. Dou u by dou r. So r in terms of x comma y comma z. Now we'll differentiate with respect to x. So we'll write that dou r by dou x. In the same manner we'll write that dou u by dou s, dou s by dou x. Here also dou u by dou y mean that dou u by dou r by dou y plus dou u by dou s by dou y, dou u by dou r by dou z plus dou u by dou s by dou z. Now we'll find out dou r by dou x, dou r by dou y, dou r by dou z, and dou s by dou x, dou s by dou y, dou s by dou z. Okay. Now I am going to written r equals to x square plus 2yz s equals to y square plus 2zx. Okay. Now I am going to find out the dou r by dou x, dou r by dou y, dou r by dou z. It means that the differentiation partially with respect to x, y, z. Okay. Now I am going to return here dou r by dou x equals to, so x square differentiation 2x. So with respect to x, y, z constant. So 2yz is constant now. It equals to 0. That equals to 2x. Okay. Dou r by dou y equals to, so x square differentiation 0 plus 2yz. Here 2z constant, y differentiation 1, will get that 2z. So dou r by dou z equals to x square differentiation 0 plus 2yz. So 2y constant, z differentiation in this, z differentiation 1. So we'll get that 2y. So here same manner we'll find out dou s by dou x. Okay, y square differentiation 0 with respect to x, y, z are constant, plus 2 z into x differentiation 1, we will get that 2z. Okay. Next we will write here dou s by dou y. Dou s by dou y equals to y square differentiation 2y. So 2zx constant, so we will write that 0. That equals to 2y. dou s by dou z equals to y square differentiation 0 plus in 2zx, 2x is constant, z differentiation 1, we'll write that 2x. Okay, here let this is equation 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. Now these values substituting equation 2 and 3 and 4, then we'll get what? Dou u by dou x, dou u by dou y, dou u by dou z. Okay, first we'll write the dou u by dou x. What is the dou u by dou x? Dou u by dou r, dou u by dou r into dou r by dou. What is the dou r by dou x? We'll write that 2x plus dou u by dou s, dou u by dou s into dou s by dou x. What is the dou s by dou x? 2z. Okay, dou u by dou y equals to dou u by dou r, dou u by dou r, dou r by dou y. Dou r by dou y is what? 2z plus dou u by dou s by dou y, 2y. Okay, dou u by dou z equals to dou u by dou r into dou r by dou z, 2y plus dou u by dou s into dou s by dou z is mean that 2x. So this is the equation is the 5, 6, 7. Okay. So we'll write that what is the given question. We'll write the next slide. Okay. What is the given question? Y square minus what is it? Zx into dou u by dou x plus x square minus yz into dou u by dou y plus z square minus xy into dou u by dou z. Now we'll substitute. Okay, first I'm going to written here y square minus zx into dou u by dou x. What is the dou u by dou x? Dou u by dou r into 2x, dou u by dou r into 2x plus dou u by dou s into 2z. Okay, next plus x square minus yz into dou u by dou r into what is that here? 2z. What is that here? 2z plus dou u by dou s into 2y plus z square minus xy into dou u by dou r 2 by 2x here, dou u by dou s into 2x. Now substitute. No? So what is the equation from here? What is the equations? 5, 6, 7. From equation 5, 6, 7. So if you observe here, dou u by dou r here common, here dou u by dou s is common. I'm going to simplify this here. First I'm going to write here y square minus zx into, here what is the term here? 2x. So we'll write the dou u by dou r later, plus x square minus yz into, here what is the common term here? Dou u by dou r common term. What is the remaining term? 2z plus here z square minus xy into 2y. I'm going to return the common term. What is the common term? Dou u by dou r. So in the next line I'm going to return plus, the same manner we'll write that dou u by dou s also common. Okay, y square minus zx into, what is the common? Dou u by dou s, and what is the remaining term? 2z plus here x square minus yz into, what is the term? 2y, what is the common term? Dou u by dou s plus the last one z square minus xy into 2x. So in this, what is the common term? Dou u by dou s. I am going to return dou u by dou s. If you multiply dou u by dou r, dou u by dou s will get the same. I'm going to simplify here. Okay, y square into 2x, 2xy square minus here plus into minus minus 2 x square z, zx into 2x, the next plus x square into 2z, 2x square z plus into minus minus, okay, 2y z square plus z square into 2y z square minus into plus minus here 2xy square into dou u by dou r. The next one plus y square into 2z, 2y square z plus into minus minus next 2xz square plus 2yx square, 2yx square, x square into 2y plus into minus minus here, next here yz into 2y, 2y square z plus z square into 2x, 2xz square plus into minus minus 2x square y into dou u by dou s. Here 2xy square, 2xy square, 2x square z, 2x square z, 2yz square, 2yz square. In the same manner, 2y square z, 2y square z, 2xz square, 2xz square, 2yx square, okay, 2yx square cancel. So we'll get that what? 0 into dou u by dou r plus 0 into dou u by dou s. That equals 0 into something 0, 0 into something 0, we'll get the 0. So I'm going to write the next slide. Y square minus zx into dou u by dou x plus x square minus yz into dou u by dou y plus z square minus xy into dou u by dou z equals to 0. Y square minus zx into dou u by dou x plus x square minus yz into dou u by dou y plus z square minus xy into dou u by dou z equals to 0. Hence it is proved. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. If you subscribe, then you will get the further notification. Thank you.